Exercise 1.1 question number 9. Let A and B be two sets such that n of A equal to 3 and n of B is equal to 2. Here two sets are given. A contain 3 elements and B contain 2 elements. If x, 1, y, 2 and z, 1 are in A cross B. So some of the elements in A cross B is given. Find A and B where x, y, z are distinct elements. So all those variables having different values. So x, 1, y, 2, z, 1 belong to A cross B. Already you know the first element belong to the first set and the second element belong to the second set. So you collect and write it in a single set. So x, y, z, that is the value of A, 1, 2, that is the value of B. Therefore here the question is what? Find A and B. Therefore the set value of A is x, y, z and then the B is 1, 2. Next question number 10. If A cross A has 16 elements like the 8th problem, S is equal to A, B belong to A cross A. A is that means A is less than B. A is less than B is the condition. So here A cross A is the bigger set, S is the relation. So we take only the relation A is less than B. That means that in a pair the first number must be less than the second number. Two of the elements of S is given, minus 1, 2 and 0, 1. See here that minus 1 is less than 2 as well as 0 is also less than 1. Find the remaining element of S. That is the question. N of A cross A is 16 means N of A is 4 element. So A cross A, 2 of its element is given. So minus 1, 2, 0, 1. So here the 4 elements are different elements. Therefore the value of A is minus 1, 0, 1, 2. And then A cross A. So first we calculate A cross A. A cross A means totally we find 16 elements. So minus 1 is compared with these 4 elements. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1 and then minus 1, 2. The same way 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. Next 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. The same way 2, minus 1, 2, 0, 2, 1 and 2, 2. Here the condition is A is less than B. That means first number must be less than second number. So here both the numbers are equal. So it is not an element of S. Here it is an element of S. This one is element of S because minus 1 is less than 1. It also an element of S. Here this one is greater than. So A is less than B is the condition. It does not satisfy the condition. Therefore it is not an element of S. It is equal. This one is satisfy the condition. So element of S, element of S, element of S. So totally how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are there. So write the 6 elements. 2 of it element is given in the question itself. What are the elements? Minus 1, 2 and 0, 1. So minus 1, 2 and 0, 1 is already given in the question. Find the remaining elements. Therefore the remaining elements are minus 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 2 and 1, 2 are the remaining elements of the set S.